My name is David Smith. I'm Director of Operations here at Valpak. Most often when we talk about Valpak, we talk about the coupons being delivered through the mail in the blue envelope. That's what people associate with Valpak. That's our brand, that blue envelope. Valpak is not a bunch of little old ladies stuffing envelopes out on a production floor. The Valpak Manufacturing Center is one of the most sophisticated, fully integrated operations in the United States and arguably in the world. The Valpak Manufacturing Center, there is nothing like it in the world. Here we do the graphic design, the print, the collating of coupons, preparing it for mail, 500 million envelopes annually with over 20 billion inserts. Compressed air is used in every aspect of our production operation. As we were designing the different aspects of the Valpak Manufacturing Center and looked at our needs for compressed air, Quincy quickly became a partner in this $220 million venture. Quincy was there to help us with the design and implementation installation of a flow control valve, which helped save us a tremendous amount of money and wear on compressors. Fortunately for us, there haven't been a lot of issues associated with our Quincy air compressors, but their service has been tremendous. The partnership we have with Quincy is second to none. We couldn't ask for a better relationship, better service, again, a better partner in the way of knowing just how critical compressed air is to our operation, and that they are living and working in this place when they're here, understanding our systems just as if they were a part of our Valpak team. In my mind, being over operations, Quincy provides that reliability that allows us all to sleep easy at night, knowing that that's not a variable in our operation that prevents us from getting the work out the door.